Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Jorin Tawahid. I want to present my English achievement regarding reviewing journal. Title of journal: Effect of biofertilizer containing different percentage retest of chemical fertilizer on oil palm seedlings. Source of the journal: www.doe.org. Researcher of journal: Nur Hafizoh Zainuddin, Muhammad Fahmi Keni, and Sarifah Azura Said Ibrahim. Affiliation Malaysia Palm Oil Board 6 Persiaran Institusi Bandar Baru Bangi 43,000 Kajang, Selangor, Malaysia. Aim of the research: to evaluate the effect of water hygiene compost prepared with various cultures on growth and yield parameter of maize. Feeding of the research: in order to prepare the microbaconstrium formulation for fungi, malt extract broth was prepared by dissolving 19 grams of malt extract broth powder 400 ml of distilled water. For bacteria fermentation media were stirred by autoclaving 121 derajat Celcius for 20 minutes before including the individual microba. After including, the broth containing inoculum were incubated in an OVA incubator shaker at a speed of 170 rpm at 33 incubator shaker at a speed of 117 rpm at 30 derajat Celsius for a period of 3 days to produce ferment products. The different individual ferment microba we called together on the basis of synergy. The different individual ferment microbes were pilot together on the basis of synergistic behavior. Year of the research: 5 February 2019. Sent for revision 18 February 2019. Publisher: Journal of Oil Palm Research Vol. 31 December 2019. Research method: this study was conducted on oil palm seeding or OPS in a nursery and treated with biofertilizer with zero chemicals. biofertilizer containing 2% levels of chemical fertilizer or CV, BF plus 40% CV and BF plus 50% CV, and two controls consisting of 100% chemical or CV 100 and standard original fertilizer. The vegetative measurement and foliar nutrition analysis of the OPS were recorded 3 and 5 months after fertilization. When the OPS were 6 and 8 months old respectively. Ringkasan, nutrients analysts showed that application of biofertilizer assisted in the increase of essential nutrition uptake into OPS. We call that combination of biofertilizer with small retest of chemical able to receive vegetative measurements and nutrients uptake. Biofertilizer application is also capable in reducing the sole use of 100% chemical fertilizer, which is not environmental friendly and experience. Vocabulary in plantation sector: concentration, konsentrasi, excessive, berlebihan, nutrisi, research, penelitian, fertility, kesuburan, aging, pencucian, sufficiently, cukup, intensif, farming, pertanian, promotor, different, berbeda, different, berbeda, bakteri, biodegrasi, organik, resources, memerlukan, supply, pasokan, growth, pertumbuhan, yield, menghasilkan, defensi, kekurangan, efek, mempengaruhi, performance, pertunjukan, fertilizer, pupuk, contain, berisi, tipis, jenis. That's all from my presentation. I hope the material I convey can be understood. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.